Let's see how you can easily build AI agents without coding, and that can simply work on your Facebook page, Instagram, WhatsApp, SMS, website, voice phone call, Telegram, and even on the Viber as well. And you can use any of these AI models such as OpenAI, Gemini, Cloud AI, DeepSeek, XAI. So here you have 5 different options over here to use it, and here I'm in a demo account, and as you can see here we have connected all the channels right here. So to connect a channel, you can simply click on channels option over here and simply choose whatever the channel you want to connect right here, and you can also click on learn more to find the step-by-step guide on how to connect each channel. For example, if you want to see how to connect the Instagram account over here, and if you go to this particular guide right here, so here you have instructions on how to connect. Simply log in with Facebook and choose the Instagram account and connect it. That's it. So it doesn't take much time to connect an account right here. Once the channels are connected right here, you will also need to connect the AI models as well. For that, here you have 5 different options as I mentioned earlier: OpenAI, Gemini, Cloud, XAI, DeepSeek. So you have to simply grab the API keys from each of these platforms and use it. So basically, if you want to just use OpenAI ChatGPT API keys, simply click on learn more again, and you will see a guide on how to grab the API keys over here. So here, grab your API keys, and from here you can easily create your API keys and connect it on our platform. So here we already have connected the API keys for the OpenAI. Let's see how to build the AI agent for your business. So first of all, you have to go to the flows section over here, and here you have the option to create the agents. So click on this one, and here you have the option to add a new agent. So if you click on add new, you have to add a name. So let me say sample demo, just for the example. So here you have to simply add whatever the prompt or the business information right here, and also you can also add specific messages. So for example, if user says this, the agent should reply like this. So likewise, you can add any other frequently asked question or specific message responses you want to send to the user. Otherwise, you can actually add other information in just the main box right here, where you can actually add the information about your business like introduction, services, pricing, contact information, and any other information as well. So here let me cancel this one and show an agent we have already in this particular account. So here this is about a plumbing company, and here we have all the information right here. So here we don't have any user agent messages, so if you don't want that, you can actually skip that one as well. So here it has all the information about that specific company, including the introduction, frequently asked questions, opening hours, the location, etc, etc. So let me click save over here. So here we have this particular agent. So let me just delete this one. I don't want this particular agent. All right, so now let's see how to use this agent to build AI chatbots that can simply work on all the connected channels right here. So let me go to the flow section over here, and let me create a new flow, and let me name this one as AI agent bot. Continue, and here you have to start with an action. So click on this plus mark actions, and here choose an action related to OpenAI. So here OpenAI, we want to use the OpenAI model. So here you have different options: generate text. So in this case we want to use the agents. So here choose generate text agents, and here you can choose the model, and here you have the option to choose which of the agent you want to use. So in this account we have this only one agent, so simply choose this one over here and use a message. So by default, the last message sent by the user will be captured using this particular variable right here, so you don't need to do anything over here. And where you want to save this response, so here you have the option to create a new field as well. So let me create a field agent output. So it will be saved in the agent output, and here you have other options like AI triggers, which can help you for the lead generation purposes. And let me reduce the temperature to 0.1 over here and continue. All right, so here this would be the first step. So in this case, let me set this one as the starting step, and here if it is successful, you can actually send the user a message where the generated is responses from the agent. So here it is saved in agent output. So this is the agent output generated from the OpenAI. So here if it is failed, you have the option to send any other messages, or you can even assign that particular notification to a particular admin as well. So for actions, so here you have the option to notify the admins. So here you can choose admin you want to notify, and you can actually add the notification text as well. And if you want to pass the particular user, you can send the full name as well. Failed right here. So here we have created a very simple agent AI chatbot right here. Save it. All right, so now you have to go to the settings over there and choose this particular flow, agent AI bot, as a default flow. so that it simply work on all the connected channels right here whenever a particular customer asks any sort of questions over here. So let's see how this actually work on the web chat over here. So that means the website AI chat widget. So click on manage over here, and here by default you will see this particular template. So let me make a duplicate of this one right here, and you can add the business name. So let me say agent demo, and here you can change the welcome message if you want with a different flow, and you have other options as well. So let me choose a different brand color right here. So let me choose something related to, so let me choose this particular brand color. All right, save it. So here this is the duplicate we just created. So let me rename this one as agent demo. All right, so here you can click on get code over here and click on customize and paste the exact code right here. So this is gonna the chat widget look like, and here you have option to customize this one as you like as well, including you can change this particular welcome bubble message. You can also set this to automatically open as well. So let's say I want to open this in 5 seconds and send them a user message. So in 5 seconds when a visitor is on your website, it will simply open and send this particular welcome message right here. And here you will see final chat widget code for your website. You have to simply copy this particular code and install or paste that same code on your website, and you will see this particular chat widget on your website with all these settings you have made. Simple as that. So that's how you actually install a chat widget on your website. So let's see how this actually work on other channels too. For example, let's see how this actually work on the Instagram right here. Hi, who are you? So it should actually say an assistant to this particular plumbing company. Let's see how this actually respond to us over here. So it says, I am your assistant from Swift Flow Plumbing, here to help you with any plumbing questions or services you need. Simple as that. So let me ask a question over here. What services do you provide, and where are you located? And can you please tell me about the opening hours as well? So here I sent or asked different questions in this particular voice note. Let's see how this actually respond to us over here. So we provide a wide range of plumbing services, including lead direction, toilet repair, water heater services, among others. We are located at this particular area, and our operating hours are from Monday to Friday, 8 to 6 p.m. with emergency services available 24/7. Simple as that. So let me show a live demo on the WhatsApp as well. So let me share my phone screen once again, and let me ask this question. Can you tell me what services do you provide? So basically I ask about the services. So let's see how this actually works. So this, we receive the response saying they offer these sort of services. So as I mentioned, this can simply work on other channels too. So here you have the option to activate the AI triggers as well, which can help with lead generation purposes. So if you go to the AI triggers, so here we have already created some AI triggers related to lead generation. Let's use one of the existing AI triggers. So here one we have is request plumbing service. So let me see what we have right here. So here a request plumbing service, and here it simply collect a particular customer's name, phone number and zip code, and also say once they provide all these details, one of our agent will contact them. Alright, so let's activate this particular request plumbing service AI trigger. For that you have to go to the flow section over here, choose agent AI bot, and here choose the AI triggers over here. So by default you will see this particular AI trigger installed on your accounts or activated on your account. So if a particular customer's intent is to talk with a human agent, this will simply post the chatbot and transfer that conversation to the human so that they can jump in and talk here. So here let's set an AI trigger related to the plumbing right here. So here let's see, we can find it, request plumbing service. All right, so if they request a plumbing service, it should actually collect a particular customer name, phone number and zip code. So let me click continue over here, publish. All right, we have added the AI trigger. Let's see how this actually works. So I want to test this from scratch, so I have just deleted all the chats related to the Instagram on this particular account. So let me share my phone screen once again and send a message over here from a different account saying, I want to request a plumbing service, can you please help? So now this should actually ask the user to provide their name, phone number and the zip code. So that's where the lead generation happens. So let's see how this actually works. So it says, please provide your name, phone number and zip code so I can assist you with your plumbing service request. So let me provide those details right here. Sure, my name is John Justin and my phone number is 917-243-5673 and the zip code is 10011. See, I'm providing all these details in a single message, and let's see how this actually works. So here we receive the response. It says your plumbing service request has been submitted, and one of our agents will contact you as soon as possible. So now if you go to the inbox over here, you should be able to track all the conversation just happened. So this is from the Instagram, WhatsApp, and even from other channels you can see it. So here this is the name saved, John Justin, the phone number, and the zip code is right here. Simple as that. That's a quick video on how you can easily create AI agents without coding on any of these channels right here. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments. Thank you.